And if you have all the billions in this world and you're sick, doesn't matter. Sabi ko nga sa mga bilyonaryo, kung tanggalin lahat ng pera mo, gaano kakayaman. And a lot of them, hindi makapag-react kasi oo nga. There's one thing I want you to start to understand, that wealth is not just money, but it's not end all and be all. Kung tanggalin lahat, anong meron ka, anong matitira, sino ka. And ako, I'm so happy, I'm so blessed. Yes, thank you Lord for the financial blessings na walang katapusan. And sobrang trilyonaryo at bilyonaryo ako kung pera ay hindi pasihan ng yaman. Million times why. At 54, I feel so good about my physical health and I wanna continue taking care of that because that is wealth. Sabi nga, if you have thousands of problems, but if you have health problem, you only have one problem. And if you have all the billions in this world and you're sick, doesn't matter. Take care of physical health. Number 2, tanggalin lahat. Lipat ka ng ibang bansa, back to zero ka, walang kakilala sa'yo, okay lang because yung kitaan mo hindi nakabase sa bansa, hindi nakabase sa kumpanya, hindi nakabase sa kliyente, nakabase sa knowledge, skills, and experience na ginugol mo, na inaral mo taon-taon na kahit saan ka itapon, buhay na buhay ka because bit-bit mo, higit sa lahat. I'm the wealthiest because I have too many relationships that I built over the years. That even if wala akong matira ng 10 years, pwede akong makatira one friend to another friend, one week, hindi maubusan yan. At maybe, zero lahat ngayon. Kaya ko mag-build ng isang 100 million right away. I can just call 10 people, say, hey, I need 10 million, send it to me. Automatic I have because I know that the most important investment is not only with my health, it's not only with my knowledge, but I invest so much in relationship.